happens. Don't leave me. It has literally killed itself. No lie, come look at it. Its neck got hung between the tree. Poor little Jerry, he was just flying one day and didn't see the tree, never stopped. Poor little Jerry.
Oh my God.
Jerry. Well, I was just flying one day and I got my neck stuck in the Amazing Grace. Ew, that thing is stiff. You should poke it one time. Poke it one time. Give it one time. Its neck is in there.
It's fluffy?
Hey, buddy. What's your name? What's your name? What is your name? I'm gonna die if that thing. Hey, what are you doing? Just hanging there. I mean, a bird flying and just ran right smack it. How do you not see a tree like that?
Wow.
Ew!
Dude, his eyes just like shut. They were open.
Oh, no.